Back with another box break. 2015 Gridiron Kings. Not too familiar with this product. $12 packs in a box, 8 cards per pack. Set that right there. Let's see what we get. Look pretty nice. I like the look of them. Peyton. Devin Funchess. Oh, framed rookie. Pretty nice looking card. Pretty cool. Along with a Troy Aikman framed. And a Phillip Rivers framed. Then that junk. Could report us that. This is going to go base and then framed at the back. Franco Harris framed. There's an Amari Cooper Gridiron King card. And a framed Russell Wilson. Nick O'Leary, framed rookie. Deion Sanders framed, and Tavon Austin red. Yeah, this is our hit right here. Let's see what we get. RG3, Joseph Randle, Robert Quinn, Sam Bradford, Carlos Hyde, Teddy Bridgewater. Jersey. Cool looking card though. Pretty nice. Dorial Green Beckham framed. T.Y. Hilton framed. Nick Foles, Julio Jones, Isaiah Crowell, Aaron Rodgers, Calvin Johnson, Trey Waynes framed, all-time stat king, Jerry Rice, Gerald McCoy framed. Base, 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 base. Base. It's framed rookie red, Shaq Thompson. Play for the Panthers? Yeah. Be playing in the Super Bowl tomorrow. Jason Witten. Sammy Watkins framed. Got the memorabilia. Still waiting for the auto. Mark Ingram, Drew Brees, Richard Sherman, Anquan Bolden, Alfred Morris. Sean Mannion framed rookie. Expressionists, Russell Wilson, Kendall Wright, red framed. J.J. Watt, Keenan Allen, Doug Martin, Marshawn Lynch, Chris Conley, framed rookie, Mean Joe Green, and a Demaryius Thomas blue. Another Super Bowl participant. Base. That's probably our autograph. Nope. Another framed. Vince Mail. Barry Sanders. Troy Aikman. Stack King. 3 packs left. No auto. Should be in the last pack. Tom Brady. Base. Vince Mail. Royal Performers. Devin Hester. Framed Ndamukong Suh. Trash out of the way real quick. Andy Dalton, Latavius Murray. Oh, wow. That's a nice one. Sovereign Signatures. The one and the only Jerry Rice. That is 8 of only 10. That's a nice card. That's a real nice card. Famous Jameis and Larry Fitzgerald. Last pack of Gridiron Kings. Base. Got a Trey McBride framed. John Elway framed. LeGarrette Blount red framed. Definitely a nice card here. 8 of only 10. 15 Gridiron Kings, Jerry Rice. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave comments below. eBays that end up going up for sale, or excuse me, cards that go up for sale will be on eBay. Thanks.